Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to David Dobrik channel analytics. He has uploaded 473 videos. He now has 18.5 million subscribers with a total view of 5,887,853,319 views. He's from US. And his channel type is people. He created his channel since December 19, 2014. The grade he got is D-. He ranked at 105th in US and 15th in people. Next, the daily subs for David is around -10k with a daily view of -78,325,604 view. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. None. That is how much David Dobrik earned from YouTube last month.